Welcome to Are You Smarter Than Lwando? Today we're quizzing all things VrrPha. First question, Maps, is about motor financing. Are you ready?
Yeah, ready.
Do you need a deposit to buy a car?
No.
Ha! Trick question. Strictly speaking, you don't, but it's really so much better if you can save for a deposit first. Why?
But so you can borrow less money?
Correct. If you know the answer, why do you answer wrong? Yes, if the total amount that you have to borrow is less, you end up paying less interest in the long haul of the amount that you borrowed. Now, what is credit shortfall insurance?
Credit shortfall insurance. I know this. It's the insurance that you take out to cover the shortfall if something happens to your car before you've paid for it.
Correct again. Well done. Next question. Is it better to buy a new car or a used car?
New car.
Wrong. Trick question again. The correct answer is to buy the car you can afford. There are ways to get a car. Do you know them?
Financing?
Yeah, you can finance your car. That's what most people do. Or you can lease. What does leasing mean?
Leasing, that's when you pay monthly installments to use a car for the lease period, and then at the end of the lease period you can decide whether or not to buy it.
Correct. Okay, now here's the bonus round question. Say you have enough money to insure your car and even get shortfall insurance. What other expenses do you have to factor in before buying a car?
Petrol?
Yes, the petrol price is volatile. What else?
Hail damage.
Yes, you need to make sure exactly what your insurance policy covers. Anything else?
Service plan.
Yes, your car needs to be maintained. Do you even know how much tires cost these days?
It depends on...
Don't overthink it. That was a rhetorical question. This round is over. I'd suggest you visit aheadofthecurve.investec.co.za to get clued up on all things VrrPha. So next time we meet, you're a little better.